today. You have to work to be better than you were yesterday.
You're going to see a group of girls, you're going to see young teenagers, you're going to see kids. They can't just show up, they have to show out.
Hirap lahat yan. Maniwala kayo sa akin.
These kids have to understand that the world is waiting and this is their shot.
Well, this Blue Crew program actually is, we are looking into young riders to discover their skills, their potential as well, and we wanted to be part of that journey for them and for us to be more competitive not only here locally but of course into international races as well.
Meron tayong programa na ganito para maabot ninyo yung pangarap.
So right now we have a total of 19 riders and we target to have at least 12 to 15 riders.
Sobrang halaga na itong ginagawa ng Yamaha. Siyempre, maraming mga rider na bata na nangangarap na mapunta ng ARRC or ng MotoGP. Matutulungan ng Yamaha yung mga batang riders na to makarating doon sa pangarap nila.
Para mas mahasa sila. Kasi nung panahon namin, bata rin kami nag-start eh.
Nakikita natin ng mga bata na may mga potensyal na pwede pa natin turuan para maging na mas mahigit pa sa atin.
Being part of the Blue Crew Junior Selection means a lot to me because it's a chance for me to show my talent and my skills on higher level.
It serves as a stepping stone sa experiences ko in the racing world as I am just a beginner starting out and madami pong ibibigay na experiences ang Blue Crew para sa akin.
Hindi naman po ako sasabak dito ng hindi handa. Pag nandito ka na po, wala nang atrasan. Yun, laban kung laban po.
What I'm hoping to prove is that us unexperienced riders can battle for the top with the experienced riders.
Ang gusto ko pong patunayan sa kampo na to ay hindi lang po ang mga lalaki ang malalakas sa motorsports po, kundi yung mga babae rin po na kayang pantayan ang lakas ng mga lalaki.
Makisali ka kahit ang kasali mga lalaki. Kasi kung ano yung kaya ng lalaki, kaya din ng babae.
Siyempre, marami pa siya matututunan. Yun ang sa journey niyang bilang isang racer.
Diba Yamaha? Nakakatuwan-tuwa, nabi ko. Hindi lahat ng bata nararanasan niya.
This is my parents' dream, my dream. From the very start, I wanted to be one of the people who gets to race internationally.
Even if I have a finger injury, I'm still willing to race because this might be my opportunity to reach Blue Crew.
To prove like actually I could ride bigger bikes even though I'm small for my size.
I want to prove that us women and children are capable to do what older men and adults do.
Ang gusto kong patunayan na kaya kong sumabay sa ibang mga rider na taga-ibang bansa na kaya kong maging competitive na kagaya nila.
Confident po na kaya po nating makasabay sa kanila. Makakasabay po natin sa loob ng racetrack.
Being a rider is not just about the speed, but it needs a lot of discipline, devotion, and dedication as well.
Bawat yugtok ng gagawin ninyo para marating ninyo yung gusto nyong marating ay hirap. Maniwala kayo sa akin, darating yung time, iiyak kayo sa akin, magagalit kayo sa akin, di ba? Kasi walang puwang dito yung paatras ka. Lahat dito, forward.
After the challenges, my body was feeling not okay.
tinitingnan natin kung gaano nila kaya.
Head na to.
Even though mahirap, masakit, nakakapagod, kakaya't kayanin ka rin.